Today is an historic day. कित्याक आयच्या दिसाक जे आमी सुरवातेक सांगलेले आमी एक प्रायवेट मेंबर्स रेजोल्युशन घातलेले ऑन ओपिनियन पोल डे 16 January 1967 ह्या दिसाक ज्या दिसाक गोवा got a separate identity, and when we got a separate identity because of this opinion poll day, Konkani was the official language, after which statehood was also, because of they are all linked together. अनेक जायते आमचे काँग्रेस पक्षाचे सेंट्रल लीडर पंडित नेहरूजी, श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधीजी, आमचे पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकर, दोतोर जॅक सिकेरा, आमचो एक फामाद कुंकोळकार शाबू देसाय, तशेंच जायते आनी आहले. रवी नायकूय ते मुवमेंटान आहले. ह्या सगळ्यांक जे तेमी आमचे पासत कोण दोना तेज पासत आमी आज ह्या विधानसभेन आमी आहाय. Today, if Goa had to be merged with Maharashtra, we would have been just a district. And when we would be a district, I believe that we would have possibly maybe one MLA, maximum one member of parliament. And today, this day had to be known to our children, our future generation. कित्याक खास करून all these Asmitai or these was forgotten, and in the last 60 years that it be celebrated with as a state function was something that I moved, and I thank all the members who spoke in support of the motion. I believe that this is a very good step in the interest of democracy, in the interest of कित्याक आयच्या दिसाक म्हाका दिसता it is like a history created where this आमचे for so many years things were not put in place. How we do statehood celebrations and with full but opinion poll day is equal to Goa and Goans, as equal as our statehood day, because otherwise we would have not had our identity. Goa would have not been there. Pramod Sawant would have not been chief minister. We would have not been MLAs. But I thank all the MLAs, as I said again. I have been given an assurance by the Honorable Chief Minister that without stopping, this opinion poll day would be celebrated. This is a victory, I believe, for all our freedom fighters, everyone who participated. Tiatris Bao, Dr. Jaksike, Purushottam Kakodkar, Uday Bembre, जायते आमगेले जे आहे सगळी नांव घेना. And I had requested that we should not politicize it. And I'm thankful that the honorable members were also wise enough to understand the gravity. We as the Congress party promise the people of Goa that several issues ह्या सरकाराक जागोवपाक, कित्याक हे न्हिदलो आहाय आनी तुमी चोयला आसतलें ज्या पद्दतीन we are questioning the government, the way the MLAs within the government are questioning the ruling side. Ruling MLAs itself are questioning, and when it looks like basically जे हे गेले ते आपले self development करपाक. So once again we will be the voice of the people. The Congress party, being the principal opposition party, will raise all these issues. You will see in that few weeks to come several other issues which taking our opposition partners together we will raise these issues. First, Anga Goenkarpon Mutte Poil Lagota. We are affiliated to our party, no doubt, but Goenkarpon will हे सांभाळपाक जे प्रयत्न आहे आनी आमगे इतिहास जो आहा म्हाका दिसता I am happy to say that I believe there are few resolutions that were accepted unanimously, and I must say that the Kunkolim chieftain हेय resolution जेन्ना हांव पयलो आमदार जालो त्या वेळार आमी मूव केल्ले and unanimously हो कुंकोळेचो जो chieftain revolt आहा, the first movement against foreign rule, against dictatorial, highlighted it was history bookan आज आहा the 11th standard आमी त्या वेळार ते गायल्ले, and definitely all these issues, all places of public historic places engeli sanctity the way Azad Maidan, the way gamblers are moving around, the way all these dacoities are moving around, these places of sanctity, this is where our forefathers lived. They fought for us, their blood they sacrificed, and the sanctity of these places we will always fight. The Congress party is always a democratic party, so once again I feel that today is a historic moment and it's the first step. Henceforth all the contributions of opinion polls, and we will definitely together as MLAs work on and make sure J contribution was done is duly recognized.
So yesterday, today morning you said to ask the opposition. So we have asked the logo regarding the same issue. So CEO was a supporter of you. So we like to say.
No, there is no question. I mean, see, everyone has to first of all know that we are MLAs, or we can come here and sit down and address the press or as MLAs or as leader of opposition is because opinion poll was there. They know about it and no one can run away from it. It is a fact. No one can shy away. Forget our political differences. What needs to be acknowledged needs to be acknowledged. The Congress party, Purushottam Kakodkar, Pandit Nehru ji, Indira Gandhi ji, they were instrumental, Dr. Jack Sikher, for all this movement. And at that time, although Dr. Jack Sikher was the leader of opposition, and the Congress party, keeping its political differences aside, said that yes, Goa's identity has to be protected. And we can see the contribution. And Chief Minister made several comments that in 60 years, why all didn't get it. I believe all three of us are new legislators. We are learning. We are eager. Whatever mistakes were done in the past, we carry no baggage. We are fiercely working for the people's issues, and definitely we will take several issues to a logical end.
नमस्कार आनी जे आज प्रायवेट मेंबर्स रेजोल्यूशन आमगे एलोपीन बाब्युरीन मांडलेलें म्हाका दिसता एक बरी गजाल की ऑल द 40 MLAs हॅव सपोर्टेड इट एंड वी गॉट इट अप्रूव्ड. जायते मुद्दे येयले आनी तितून एक असो मुद्दो म्हणलो आमी ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हळ्यार लास्ट 60 years खंय न्हिदोन आशिल्ले काय म्हूण. बट आमी चीफ मिनिस्टर उगडास केलो की 60 वर्सां इतले फाटीं जे आमदार आशिल्ले सिनियर मेंबर काँग्रेसान आशिल्ले आज ते तेंचे बारा BJP बराबर आहाय. So 60 वर्सां जी कितें जालें तें उलयच न्हू. Today is a historic day. All these years no one thought about it. Today the honorable LOP Baburin and जे resolution घायलें आनी आज हें पास केलें. That is very important. So whatever has happened in the past, आम आज तें सोडया. आम आज गोंयकार गोंय म्हणटा एक फामाद आहा आख्या संवसारांत. गोंयकार म्हूण आमचे एक अभिमान आहा because of this day. So let us all, leaving our political differences, let us all work together as Goenkar and save Goa and be proud Goans, Goenkar.
First, I want to congratulate our leader of opposition, Alemao, for having brought such an important resolution. Because if we stand here in this house, is because of our opinion day, which shows that Goa should remain not independent and not merged with Maharashtra. I think this is a foundation of our existence which cannot be forgotten. See, liberation of Goa could have merged us with any other state, but independent existence and having our own legislature and having everything of our own is the beginning through this opinion poll, which was very historic, and as mentioned in the House, first of its kind ever in our country. And therefore, I had appealed in the House to the members that if you believe in being gone, in what you have and why you stand here, you should come and vote in favor of the motion. It can't be that I belong to a political party and therefore I oppose it. And I think that wise counsel prevailed, and the Honorable Chief Minister interrupted the debates and himself stood up and said that they will accede to the demand made by the leader of opposition, and that has been always the backbone of the Congress party, to think of the interests of Goa and the Goans. And if you remember in history, MGP was ruling at that time when the opinion poll was taken. Congress party was virtually in the House non-existent, though it might have been in a party, but in the House non-existent. Yet you think of it that, and even Dr. Jackson Sikera was of United Goans, but Purushottam Kakotkar of the Indian National Congress going to canvass, thinking of the interest of Goa, that shows the sentiments of the Congress party and its love for Goa, which cannot also be erased. And I'm glad that it has ended on a positive note, and I think that all of us stand together to salute all the veterans who have fought for this day. And I once again thank Yuri Alemao, our leader of opposition, for having taken up such a vital issue, alerted everyone, alerted the government, and made sure that we get what we had demanded.